Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you guys how to create your own VPN. For this I am going to use Linode. You can use any other server like DigitalOcean, AWS, Azure, or you can even use Atlantic Cloud or Volter, anything. But today I am going to use this Linode one. So you need three software. One's Putty, another one WinSap, you need to download anything from here, 64 or 32-bit. WinSap and openvpn client. And the last one you need is openvpn. You need to have this one, VPN Connect client. You need to download this for your Windows, mobile, Android. You can download it for any of your PC. Okay. And I'm not going to download because I already have them installed on my PC. So I'm going to create one Linode now. I'm going to use 20.04 LTS, and I'm going to use UK server, and I'm going to use this 4 GB one. You can use 1 GB for showing purpose. I'm going to use this because this will be have some speed. You can use this also, no problem. I'm going to give the password and I'm going to label it as VPN. Okay, now it's created. It will take some time. It will take like 2 to 3 minutes max. Okay, now it's up and running. So I just need this IP address to connect it, or I'll copy this. I'm going to connect it as root. Okay, now open Putty and paste that. You copied one and click on open. Okay, I'm going to do that again. It should work now. You can click no. I'm going to enter the password for root. Yeah, it's logged in now. Once it's logged in, you need to upgrade first. Update the server. It should take some time. Okay, it's upgraded now. Now you need to upgrade it. After updating, you need to upgrade it. Okay, it's upgraded right now. So I'm going to clear the screen. It's upgraded and updated. I clear the screen. Now you need these commands. You need to first you need to install wget. need to install wget using that command. I'll give all commands in description and links to software in description. Okay, I install this, and then you need this command. You need to run this command. Once you run this command, you will get this protocol. You need to select UDP and what port openvpn should listen to. I'll select like 80. You can select 80. I'm going to select 443 and select a DNS server for the clients. You can use any of these. For now I'm going to use Google one and enter a name for VPN client. Okay, I'm going to give it a name like VPN. Okay, VPN UK and press continue. Okay, it's installed now, and you need to use this command, and you need to change verb to 0 so your VPN won't keep any logs of your browsing history. Click Ctrl S and then click Ctrl X. That will save and exit. Okay, now that's it. There is no job here. Okay, I'm going to exit now. Once after doing this, you need to connect open WinZip. In WinZip you need to connect to server. You need to enter username as root and password and click no. Once it's login, you can see the file. You need to download this file. It is the VPN file, configuration file that you need to connect to the server. I'm going to download this. I'm going to download this to the desktop. Okay, it's downloaded right now, and I'm going to exit this. Now, what you need is the file where it's saved. Okay, I got this file here. Now what you need to do is open this, click on file. You need to click on import profile, and it will ask for file. You need to drag and drop there. Okay, it's imported right now. First check your IP. My IP is 220.158.158.119. Okay, I'm going to connect this. Now let's see. Now my IP changed. You can browse internet with good speed. I'm in London right now. It's London IP. I'm using London location, so it's showing London. I'm going to check the speed. Okay, it's 10 Mbps. If you have good internet speed, you will get more. Yeah, upload speed is way better. Actually, download speed should come above 50, but no problem. Okay, I'm just going to disconnect this. Okay guys, this is the method. I will also paste these commands in description. You can also check that, and also I will paste the download links to software also. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please comment on the video.